In front of me is HonorPad V9, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off high performance mode. Begin by going into Devices Settings. Now you need to scroll down to access Battery section over here. Then use gray switcher next to Performance mode to activate it. And as you can see, after a couple of seconds, high performance is on. If you want to switch it off, use the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!